Hi. Today's video is a brow video. It is a complete video dedicated to brows. So I got this package delivered to my front door sometime during the week. I think it was Monday or Tuesday. And a lovely company called Julian reached out, and they were kind enough to send me a couple of their brow products. I think it might even be their entire brow range. Okay, so the company's name is called Julienne, and they just launched their products in Discam. So they have 4 brow products, and they sent them all to me, and they're all in this little box here. It comes with this little letter from the Julian team. I just want to say thank you so much. It says, "We're delighted and so very proud to introduce the brand new Julian brow range to you. We hope you love it as much as we do. Enjoy. We look forward to hearing what you think." So they sent that little note, and it comes in this beautiful rose gold bag, and it says Julian right there. And then inside the bag we have all the brow products, as you can see over there. There's 4 of them. So the first thing that I'm pulling out here is the brow tint kit. This says it's permanent color. I got the shade number 1, which is Midnight Black, and I love the packaging. It's so beautiful, so sleek. It's like crisp. It's crisp, it's clean, it's really nice. It's got the rose gold detailing to match the little bag. So cute. So that's how it looks. And inside this tint kit is everything you need to tint your brows. So there's a little tray. It comes with an activator, the actual tint, and the spoolie that you can use. And then it comes with a little instruction book. And then we have another little box from the bag, and this one says brow cushion. I got this in dark brown, and I love the little define yourself slogan that's in rose gold. It's actually just stunning packaging. I hope you can see that. This is their latest addition to their product. It's got really sleek, nice black packaging that I'm getting all dirty right now with my fingerprints, but that's okay. And it opens up like that, and it has a pretty little mirror, nice little compact you can put in your bag. It's got a little brush here and a little spoolie, which is so beautiful. And then it has this little thing that you open up like that, and I'm sure you lift this, okay? Ooh, okay. So you lift this little sticker like thing up, and it comes with the cushions inside, and it's like one of those cushion foundations where you press to release the product and then you apply it. So that's pretty. It's got 2 shades in there. Really pretty. Super pretty. The Julian Define Yourself retractable brow pencil. This is also in the color dark brown, and I'll show you that now. So this is how the pencil looks. Everything's black with the nice rose gold detailing. It has a spoolie as well at the one end, and then the pencil is actually a triangle shape. Well, yeah, like a curved edge triangle shape. Really pretty. I'm sure you can get a lot of definition with this tip here in the front, and then to fill in you use the entire pencil. That looks so fun. And then lastly, we have their brow pomade. It's a little cute. Like, how freaking stunning is this packaging, you guys? So cute. It's a gloss container. Super pretty. I got this in dark brown again. Yeah. And it's got the little sealed thingy there. And you obviously just open that, and it's brown pomade. So that's fun. All of this looks so much fun. I want to do a video like where I use all of these products, but would that all go in one video? Would you want to see one video? Would you want to see me use them when doing tutorials? So I'll leave a poll on the video, and you tell me if you want to see me use all of these products in one video where I do my brows, then take them off, wipe them off, and then use the next product. Or if you want to see me use it in actual tutorials where I'm actually making different makeup looks, and then I can actually have them like one after the other. Well, for the vlogs in between, of course. Okay, so today's video, we are actually going to do the brow tint kit. So I was actually going to go get my brows shaped and tinted at a brow architect. And then this brand reached out to me like just as I was gonna go do it. So I decided, okay, let's wait it out. We can try this on camera. We can both do it together because this is my first time ever tinting my brows or anything like that. So first thing we're gonna do is take a cotton wool, little piece of one. This is super scary because this is permanent. Like permanent? Yeah, that's scary enough. Okay, I'm gonna spritz some of my micellar water on here, and then it says to clean brows thoroughly with a non-oily cleanser to remove any natural oils and or makeup. Apply petroleum jelly or thick cream around the brows with a cotton bud to protect the skin. Avoid contact with the eyes, okay? Avoid contact with the eyebrows, it says. Okay, so around the brow, okay? We might have hit a gold mine. It says remove the foil cover from the tint tube, squeeze 1 centimeter of permanent color tint into the mixing tray, which I'm assuming is this actual container. Yeah, so this is the tubey. This is the tube. I'm assuming this is the bowl. Add equal amount developer. This is the developer. There's the eye cream, well, the tint. So there we go. That's what that looks like. And then I'm gonna take the spoolie like it says and mix it. I'm gonna mix. Apply using brush. Obviously the brush that they gave you, but I want to use, I do have an angled brush. Yep, I do. Tiny angled brush. I'm gonna use that to kind of get the edges. There's the mixture. I'm just gonna go right in. Then I'll go over the edges. Okay. I'm gonna use a Q-tip to remove anywhere where you don't want the product. Did I mention this is super scary? Yeah. In case I didn't. In case I forgot to mention that. Just hope you can see me start like lining my brows the way I usually do. I just keep interchanging between my brush and the spoolie, and occasionally the cotton tip. Okay, so there's my brows. I'm going to sit for 5 minutes from this point. And let that develop. Okay, so I have tint left over actually, and I saw on other videos that you can actually just tint your lashes. Since we're here, we're playing with fire and permanent stuff, so might as well go all in, right? It's 13:19 right now, and I'm going to wipe this off. Let's see. Wipe off, ensuring all traces of the mixture are removed. Discard of any unused mixture and rinse the tray out and brush thoroughly before storing for future use. So, going to take this cotton wool, spritz a little bit of micellar water, and first I'm going to use the side that doesn't have any micellar water. Ooh, actually no. Going to use the side without the micellar water. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So that's that wiped off. I'm gonna wipe this side now. Phew. Okay, I'm gonna take another cotton wool piece, spray micellar water, and wipe the rest of this off. And with the leftover, so you don't want the mixture going into your eyes, so don't rub, just swipe up, everyone. I'm gonna take my own spoolie, not the one with the product, and I'm just gonna brush my brows back into place. Okay, you guys, so that is the brow tint done. I feel like they're definitely blacker. They look like they've been enhanced with color. Not necessarily shape, just the color is way more, you know, stand-outy. Wow. Yep. Stand-outy. Look it up. That's in the dictionary.